Today on Captain Compass Travel Adventures, Captain Compass is heading into one of the most colorful corners of Florida, where art bursts from every inch, bowling balls grow like flowers, and creativity runs wild. Welcome to Whimzeyland, a true hidden gem right in Safety Harbor, Florida. These artists didn't just stop at decorating their home, they turned their entire property into an evolving art installation. Let's dive in. Tucked away in a quiet neighborhood on 3rd Street North in Safety Harbor on the Gulf Coast of Florida, Whimzeyland looks like a circus collided with a mosaic garden in the best way possible. It all started back in 1986 when artists Todd Ramquist and Kiaralinda bought this modest home and decided to turn it into a masterpiece. From humble beginnings, they added color, whimsy, and found object sculptures until the house became a full-blown wonderland. You never know what you'll find tucked in these gardens. Bowling balls, bottle sculptures, or a dancing chicken made from welded sheet metal. Let's start with the most iconic feature at Whimzeyland. Over 1,000 painted bowling balls. No joke. Decorating flower beds, stacked in towers, hanging in trees, or used like garden gnomes with way more personality. That's why the locals first called it the Bowling Ball House before it officially became Whimzeyland. Walking the gardens, you'll find bottle trees catching the sunlight, mosaic walkways winding through the yard, sculptures made from Mardi Gras beads, circuit boards, and even a gas pump, literally. It's like stepping into a dreamscape made from thrift shops, garage sales, and a whole lot of imagination. But the magic doesn't stop there. One of the most fascinating aspects to Whimzeyland is how it has grown through a vibrant network of artist collaborations and creative trades. They actively bartered and swapped pieces with other artists from around the country, infusing the garden with a collective spirit. These traded treasures, each with their own origin story, blend seamlessly into the grounds. Next door you'll see Casa Loco, a bright guest house used for visiting artists, songwriting retreats, and creative workshops. And keep an eye out for the Whimzoo, a themed art collection scattered throughout the gardens. Todd and Kiaralinda didn't keep their creativity to themselves. The Safety Harbor Art and Music Center is a vibrant cultural offshoot of Todd Ramquist, Kiaralinda, and fellow founder Heather Richardson, born to extend Whimzeyland's spirit into the community. Powered by a $50,000 Pepsi Refresh grant and grassroots support, the center broke ground in 2011 and officially opened in late 2016 after nearly 5 years of volunteer-driven efforts. 200 plus locals helped paint mirrored mosaic panels, picket fences, and vibrant murals that cloak the building's exterior. Housed in the 100-year-old Rigsby House at 706 2nd Street North, the Safety Harbor Arts and Music Center features a 2-story performance hall with a retractable stage, an open-air courtyard, art studios, guest house, and gallery spaces. SHAMc offers an eclectic calendar, from national touring acts, intimate house concerts, and themed film and circus nights, to youth summer camps, open studio mosaics and ceramic workshops, writers club, and community celebrations like the annual SHAMc is Giving Umbrella Parade. Today, SHAMc stands for a colorful hub that promotes creativity across generations and genres, bringing artists from around the globe into the heart of Safety Harbor. Whimzeyland is more than just an art house. It's proof that creativity can transform the ordinary into extraordinary. And the best part? It's completely free to visit. Just stroll through the front garden, snap a few pics, leave a small donation if you'd like, and get inspired. So if you're near Safety Harbor, don't miss the chance to visit Florida's most whimsical backyard. For more Offbeat Florida adventures, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to follow Captain Compass Travel Adventures. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the colorful corners of the world.